Here's a day in my life, Boracay edition. Dito kami naka-check-in sa Feliz Hotel at nag-breakfast na kami at 6:30 a.m. They have one of the best bacons, a really good variety of dishes, and when it comes to pastries and baked goods, promise, magugustuhan niyo lahat to. After breakfast, 8 a.m., nag-change na kami ng swimming attire. Every time na pupunta kami sa dagat, nag-enjoy talaga si Arky and tumatagal kami dito ng 1 oras. And don't worry kung wala kayong dalang beach toys kasi makakahiram kayo sa hotel. At 9:30 a.m., bumalik na kami sa hotel para maligo and tignan nyo naman yung bathroom ng Feliz. Bukod sa complete na bathroom essentials, meron ditong hot and cold water, and isa sa mga favorite ko yung his and hers. Around 11 a.m. naman, kumain na kami ng lunch here at Jammers at alam nyo ba kung nagtitipid kayo, meron din ditong undocs. And after lunch, bumalik na kami para sa nap ni Arky. I also went down to check out some souvenir shops around Limon. Malapit talaga to sa lahat from palengke, pasalubong stores, and yung mga laundry shops. O nga pala, kung di kayo mahilig magdagat, meron din sila ditong swimming pool. Nag-dinner na kami at 7 p.m. at pumunta kami dito sa Mezrop. Again, nandito lang to sa D-Mall kaya naglakad lang kami. Dito na rin namin trinay yung Ube Mama. At 10 p.m. after matulog ni Arky, pumunta ako sa La Plaza. Dito talaga makakapag-relax ka with great music, delicious food, and drinks. Ito nga pala yung Deluxe King Room kung saan kami nagstay for 3 days and 2 nights. So thank you so much, Feliz Hotel, for making our stay so much easier, convenient, and relaxing.